Today we'll be installing Turbosmart Smart Port Blow-Off Valve with Intercooler Pipe Kit for 2015 to 2017 EcoBoost Mustangs. Tools used for this install are a 7mm socket, an 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, an 11mm socket, a ratchet, an extension, a 5/16 wrench, a flathead screwdriver, an Allen key set, and a pair of pliers. Remove the engine cover by removing both nuts and bolts, securing the engine cover in place. Locate the PCV connection at the back of the throttle body. When facing the vehicle, the PCV connection is on the right-hand side of the engine behind the throttle body. Install the included plug on the unused ports of the boost reference adapter. Apply thread sealant on threads. Install the 2 vacuum boost nipples and apply thread sealant on the threads. Unclip factory PCV connection from port located behind the throttle body. Cut and remove the OEM PCV line. Slide the boost reference adapter onto the OEM port. Twist the adapter back and forth while pressing down, as there will be some resistance due to the internal O-ring. Install the retaining clip provided to secure the boost reference adapter in position. Once installed, the vacuum hoses can now be connected to the boost reference adapter. Install the blow-off valve reference hose to the nipple and secure with the spring clamp. Install the other end of the 1/4 inch reinforced hose over barbed end of PCV check valve. No clamp is needed. Install the 1/4 inch inside diameter reinforced PCV replacement hose to the second nipple and secure with hose clamp. Point hose in the direction of the PCV check valve. Locate the factory blow-off valve and unplug the solenoid plug. Install the provided CEL eliminator into the OEM solenoid plug. Loosen all charge pipe clamps and remove the OEM plastic and rubber charge pipes. This can be done from within the engine compartment, but it is easier to access the lower intercooler clamps if the vehicle is raised and the belly pan is removed. Install new charge pipes using the provided 5-ply couplers and performance clamps in the same manner as the OEM pipes were installed. Install your new Turbosmart Smart Port blow-off valve on new charge pipe, making sure that the O-ring is properly seated before installing V-bang clamp. Tighten the V-bang clamp. Connect the 5mm vacuum hose to the nipple on top of the Smart Port blow-off valve. Secure the hose with the spring clamp. Install provided silicone rubber intake cap onto OEM valve recirculation port on the intake. This will keep the intake sealed and clean. No clamp is necessary. Reinstall the engine cover. Vehicle is ready to start. Check for leaks. Your new charge pipe and blow-off valve system is set to run right out of the box as is.